Veeradhira Suran Tamil movie summary. On the night of the local temple festival in Madurai, tensions escalate between SP Arunagiri and former mobster boss Periyava Ravi, leading to the former deciding to an extrajudicial execution, encounter the latter and his son, Kannan. Ravi goes to his former enforcer, Kali, for help. However, Kali, now the owner of a provisional store, leads a blissful life with his wife, Kalavani Kalai, and their two children, Janani and Dilip. He does not want to resort to violence again, stating his domestic life, but eventually decides to help him as he begs him, telling him that he will not be caught by any means. Kali and Venkat, his former friend and Ravi's nephew, get hold of yams from Ravi's old house after Kali decides to use traditional weapons instead of modern ones, so that even if they succeed, the deed would not be traced back to them. They set up the perimeter at a dirt road leading to a field. However, in the process of doing so, Venkat suffers a seizure, leading to him falling down with Kali in tow, who barely manages to grab him before Venkat is about to hit the yams and trigger them. They ultimately fail to kill Arunagiri, and Kali reports the same back to Ravi. Kannan comes into the picture and intervenes, threatening to kill Kali and his family, who are at the temple festival. A flashback reveals that on the day of Kali and Kale's marriage 10 years back, Kali's best friend, Dilip, was unknowingly killed by an inspector who reports to the then DSP Arunagiri and is also the son-in-law of a local politician. Periyavar and Kannan, who hope to secure a big mining contract in the region, are told about Dilip by Arunagiri, and they decide to use the information to blackmail the politician into giving them the mining contract, all the while pretending to be ignorant of Dilip's death in front of Kali. Kali and Kalai are eventually told about Dilip's fate by Arunagiri, and a devastated Kali decides to kill the politician. With Venkat and a couple of other men, they attack the politician's house when he is with his family, but Kali refuses to kill him and instead decides to surrender to Arunagiri. At the police station, when the politician speaks of Dilip in a rude manner, Kali brandishes a locally handmade gun and shoots him at point-blank range. Ravi and Kannan then make an appearance and promise him that they will make sure he would not be suspended so long he keeps quiet about them knowing of Dilip's death beforehand. Arunagiri is subsequently demoted to an SP and transferred to another region. Meanwhile, in the present, Kali discloses Kannan's location to Arunagiri as the former was worried about his family's safety. Kali catches up with Arunagiri, telling the former to get Kannan to disclose Ravi's whereabouts, but when Kali goes to talk to him, a phone call from Kannan's mother tells him that there is a black sheep amongst them, and so in the process, believes the three men that are with him are the traitors, shoots them dead whilst not finding out that it is actually Kali. Eventually, Ravi's men come to rescue Kannan, and a shootout ensues between Kannan and Arunagiri's foes. They are all shot and killed, except for a gravely injured Arunagiri and another inspector. Kali finds them and Arunagiri tells him that the only way he can come out of the other side is by somehow keeping him alive and let him do his job. However, in the process of escaping, his car is hit by Kannan's. As they go to Ravi with Kali and Arunagiri, he learns that Kali was the black sheep, but the latter fights back by hacking Kannan's arm off and kills him and his men afterwards, whilst Arunagiri assures Kali's safety. Kali reunites with Kalai, telling her he killed Kannan, much to her dismay. They find that Venkat was eavesdropping on them, leading to a chase where Kali contemplates on killing him, but ultimately decides to let him go. However, the latter suffers from another seizure, prompting Kali to go back to his house to get water for him. As he is about to leave to tend to Venkat, Ravi arrives with his family, and they soon learn of Kali's involvement in Kannan's death, prompting an intense confrontation at his house. Ravi kills an injured Arunagiri for playing a role in Kannan's death when he promises him of not doing anything if they decide to kill Kali and his family. However, Kali fights back and eventually kills Ravi and his men using the yams attached to his leg. He leaves afterwards, telling Ravi's grieving wife that he had to protect his family at all costs. He and his family get on a bus and leave the town for good.